Hi everyone and welcome back. Today is the 22nd of March 2021 and I did a lot of trade today because last Friday 19th of March there's a lot of trade in my account that expire worthless. So I have a WOOF, which is the Petco company that I sold a put and that expire worthless, and which is this trade over here. I sell a 22.5 put and for $1.55 that expire worthless, and I'm not going to go in WOOF at this point of time. And the other trade that expired worthless last Friday was actually Unity. So Unity, I sold 100 put and that expired last Friday, and I'm still bullish on Unity trade. The symbol is U, so I'm selling a 90 put that expires next month for $2.45. And apart from this, the rest of the trade you can see is a call. So basically Blink, I'm selling the 47 call, and if you take a look, then I got Blink at $39 and Blink is trading slightly above 39, which means I'm making money on Blink. I choose to sell a 47 call instead so that I can give it some room to go. If I'm being called out, that is a good thing to me. Then I make an extra $8 from here, which is $800 plus the premium I keep. If I'm not being called out, then I will just repeat the process. So the same thing for the rest of the trade, Fubo, and then UAVS, PTON NNDM NIO IPOE Corsair Gaming, which is the CRSR AMD. Then Unity is a new one that I sell the put. And I'm hoping that I don't get a sign. But getting a sign-in may not be a bad thing to me. And we can see from here some of the put. Let's take one example here. AMD. So I sell a 92 call for just 15 cents. That is only $15. So why should I do that? Because AMD is currently trading at $79. And the call option that I sell is 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks away, I mean. So that is going to expire next Friday. So I'm selling the 92 call because I am long AMD at 92, even though my average price for AMD is much lower. My average price is about 85 because taking all this premium into consideration. So my average price is 85, but I just want to sell 92 call, or I try not to sell below the purchase price, even though my actual average price is much lower. So I just collected 15 cents or $15. That's fine to me because I have all the time. I can afford to wait. So some of the other trade that I'm selling basically all for pretty low premium. Fubo was something that I sell it for quite a high premium at 46 cents, 40 call, when Fubo currently is trading at 31. I'm long Fubo at 35, but of course my average price is much lower because I collected all the premium, and then now I choose to sell a 40 call. So if Fubo were to run up to 40, then I get to make the extra few hundred. So I want to sell call that is higher than my purchase price. That is the reason that I choose to sell higher, or at the very least, at least the same call. The other one that I'm not so bullish on is UAVS, which is actually the drone company. My purchase price was $11.57, but I'm actually, my average cost for UAVS is much lower at $8.16 after I sell this call today, $8.16. So I'm selling the 10 call. So let's give it a try and see how it goes. I'm not so bullish on this, but because I only have one lot and my average price is only $8.16, so there's only $800 of risk on this trade, so I'm fine with it. Like I mentioned, I have all the time, so I'm just doing covered call on all this stock. So not all the stock will expire next Friday. I don't sell any call option that expire this Friday because there's not much premium, so I go into next Friday. So most of this option is going to expire next Friday on the 2nd of April or 1st of April, next Friday. And some of them is a monthly option, like UAVS is a monthly option, NNDM is a monthly option, and then Corsair Gaming, IPOE, all this is a monthly option. So for those monthly option, I will have to sell the monthly option. So would doing all this be worthwhile sometime? Because like even Nio, I'm selling just 19 cents, but I'm selling a 54 call. So would it be worth it to sell, or should we not sell? That is up to you. But I prefer to sell something rather than not doing anything on it. So for today, all this premium that if I add up is $7.06. That is $706 of cash to my account. So why don't I do it? I will just take $700 for the next 2 weeks. I will keep doing that and my account will grow. Even though the market is dropping, my account will grow because I'm collecting premium every 2 weeks, regardless of where the market go. Of course, if the market were to go up higher, then I stand to gain because all these calls will get called out. Then I stand to gain a few hundred from here and there. And all this premium that I'm collecting, it all add up. So there's only one stock that I didn't sell any call option on. That is FSR, Fisker, because I couldn't find very good premium on it. So I decided not to sell it. But when Fisker have a run up, maybe run to 22, 23 and the call premium has a little bit more premium, then I will choose to sell it. If not, I will just skip Fisker or FSR for now. So that's the update for today. I don't have much trade and I'm not opening a lot of new trade. The only new trade that I'll open or is a continual trade is Unity, the U, that I sell the 90 put. Other than that, the rest I'm just selling covered call and waiting for them to get called out. So that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video.